Hi Year 9, my name is Miss Green and I am Head of Maths here at the Wilnecote School. I am briefly going to talk you through the Edexcel GCSE Maths which we deliver here at the Wilnecote School. The Maths GCSE is still divided into two tiers, both higher and the foundation tier. Both tiers follow the same principles as listed on your screen. Building on previous learning from Key Stage 3, securing knowledge, gaining fluency, promoting reasoning and developing problem-solving skills, all of which are vital to success in GCSE Maths at the end of Year 11. Pupils in Set 1 and 2 usually follow the higher scheme of work, and pupils in Set 4 and 5 usually go on to the foundation scheme of work. Those pupils in Set 3 will begin Year 10 following the higher scheme of work, and then we would carry out continuous assessment as with the other sets in Year 10 and 11 to ensure pupils are covering the most appropriate work to support their attainment in their final GCSE exam at the end of Year 11. This may mean that there will be some movement between sets throughout Year 10 and 11, but this will only be done based on evidence from assessments and teachers. So just based on those assessments take two forms throughout the years 10 and 11. Formative assessment, these are classroom-based assessments such as end-of-topic assessments, ED quizzes and Maths Watch tests, all things which you are all familiar with from this year. Pupils are encouraged to reflect on their knowledge rather than their attainment on these formative assessments. Another form of assessment which we undertake throughout Year 10 and 11 is a summative assessments. In Year 10 they are sat twice and 3 times during Year 11. These summative assessments are full GCSE papers and they may include questions from topics which we have not yet fully covered. Pupils are encouraged to focus primarily on questions from familiar topics on these assessments, but may be able to tackle less familiar questions using their reasoning and problem-solving skills. Exposure to unfamiliar topics promotes independent learning, and that is something that is vital for students to succeed at the end of Year 11 with their GCSE Maths. In order to make sure all students succeed, it is also good to have continued support at home throughout Year 10 and 11. And I'd just like to talk to you about the following ways in which you can get support continuing throughout Year 10 and 11. That is making sure if there's topics that you have covered in school that you're still struggling with or not 100% sure how to do some of the more difficult questions on it, that you are revisiting those topics, whether that's using Corbett Maths where there's online videos or Exam Watch or Easy. Okay, as I said, Corbett Maths has online videos, online assessments, online textbook questions based on topics, as well as mock papers, and all the answers are provided there. So it's a vital tool and it's all free for you to use. The other thing that's really, really important from now until Year 11 is that you complete your homework, not just by writing down an answer, but your method and your working out is crucial. This is because in the end of Year 11, majority of the marks of your GCSE paper go to the method, not the accuracy of the answer. Also, if your teachers are setting you quizzes online, whether that's on ED, which you'd be using this year, or Maths Watch, you need to make sure you're completing them. If you're struggling, that you're watching some online videos to help you with it, or asking your teacher how to make progress. Thank you for listening.